How to remove PayPal Express checkout from Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a quick fix for Shopify store owners, removing PayPal Express checkout. Maybe you want to streamline your checkout process or focus on other payment methods. So no worries, we'll show you 2 ways to do this in just a few minutes. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on Settings, followed by Payments. Find the PayPal section and click Edit. Uncheck the box for Enable PayPal Express Checkout. Hit Save and you're done. Now, for hiding the button completely, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Click Actions, then Edit Code next to your theme. Open the cart.liquid file and look for the PayPal Express Checkout code. It might be labeled as Additional Checkout Buttons. Above that code, add this line. Save your theme code changes. There you have it. Now you know how to remove PayPal Express checkout from your Shopify store. Remember, the first method disables it entirely, while the second hides the button but keeps the functionality. For more Shopify tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe.